Hello, today we're touring a 2-bedroom, 1-bath apartment in the outer Richmond at 44th and Balboa. In the distance there you can see Golden Gate Park. It's about 2 blocks away. Ocean Beach and Safeway are about 4 blocks away. And then up this hill towards Geary Boulevard or past Geary Boulevard is Land's End Trail, which is about 6 or 7 blocks away. That's where the Cliff House is. This is a 2-unit building. It's the lower flat that we have for rent. So you are able to buzz people in from the apartment. The owner is a super nice lady. She lives just a few doors down, and she's just spent a lot of time refreshing all of the finishes in this apartment. So the hardwood floors were just recently refinished, and you do have these beautiful oak floors throughout the entire apartment, so there's no carpet anywhere. She also put in new windows, which is great for energy efficiency and noise. New window coverings, so these are mini blinds that are cordless, so you just push them up or down to open and close. Fireplace is decorative. And you've also got a dining area here, which is big enough for a 6-person table. Got those beautiful big windows here too. Kitchen has gotten some refreshments also, so new floor, new countertops, backsplash, new dishwasher, plenty of cabinet space and counter space, gas range, full-size refrigerator. This is the original telephone shelf, which makes a great key shelf now. Linen closet. Bathroom has a separate bathtub and shower. We've also got quite a bit of shelving in this cabinet. And then the 2 bedrooms are both really spacious and can each accommodate a king-sized bed and whatever other bedroom furniture you might have. They're also located on the back of the building, so no street noise, although street noise here is pretty minimal. This room has the smaller closet, but there's plenty of space here for a wardrobe or an armoire, dresser to store more clothing. So the bedrooms are about equal size. They're both pretty big. And then this room has 2 closets instead of just 1. Now let's go downstairs and check out the storage and backyard. There's no parking available in this garage, but street parking is pretty easy around here. The owner is storing this car here, so you can also block the garage. Okay, so to the left here is the storage space associated with this apartment. So this would all be your space to store things, bicycles, whatever you'd like to store. You could also bring in a washer and dryer and put them here. It would need to be a compact electric dryer that uses a 110 outlet, which is what this is, instead of a 220. And then you would hook up the washing machine to this water right here. And then this little backyard, which has some flowers growing in it now. The owner would be thrilled if the new tenant here wanted to grow things or take care of this. So if you'd like to see this apartment or have any questions about it, please get in touch with us and we'll get you out to see it right away. Thank you and have a great day.